Hello, everyone, and welcome to our webinar. My name is Michael White. I am the Vice President of Open Source Sales here at Sangoma. On the docket for today, we'll discover the entirety of Sangoma's trunking as a service portfolio. We'll cover the key features of each service individually for SIPStation, FaxStation, and our wholesale communication services, also known as VoIP Innovations. And we'll round out each section with a pricing overview. After that, we'll catch up with a quick Q&A session. So what is SIPStation? Quite simply put, SIPStation is a cloud-based voice over IP trunking service that enables businesses to make and receive phone calls over the internet. While SIPStation was designed for FreePBX and PBExact specifically, you should know that it works very well with PBXs from other manufacturers. SIPStation as a product offers a wide range of key features which center on four primary components. The first being it's affordable. SIPStation offers competitive calling rates, both domestic and international, and we help businesses reduce their phone bills. Quality is key. Our service uses redundant data centers and tier 1 carriers to ensure high quality and reliable call routing. SIPStation is also easy to use. We have a very easy to use and user-friendly web portal and GUI module for PBExact and FreePBX. This allows businesses to configure their phone systems and manage their own accounts. I mean, ultimately think of this as the phone company in a box, and you are in absolute control. It's scalable. Services can easily be scaled up or down on demand to meet the changing needs of any businesses. Need more calls, scale up. Own a seasonal business, scale down in the off season. Before we get into the key features of SIPStation or head on over to SIPStation.com to sign up, there are a few service descriptions that I would like to cover. With SIPStation, you will need at least one trunk. Think of these trunks as a talk path or concurrent conversation using the service. Each trunk gives you 3,000 minutes and the trunks are stackable. What that means is it accounts with 5 trunks, for example, would have 15,000 minutes to use on the service and 5 concurrent calls. We also have additional options available, and we'll cover some of those later. Each trunk is a bi-directional talk path or concurrent call. Subscribing to 10 trunks would allow for any combination of inbound or outbound calls up to the account's trunk capacity of 10. And in this scenario, you'd have 30,000 minutes if you had 10 trunks. You will need at least one DID to use the service. This is used for inbound calling as well as the master E911 location DID at the time of setup. SIPStation's key feature number 1, SIPStation has a user-friendly web interface that is easy to navigate and use. This interface allows you to manage your phone services from anywhere at any time with just a few clicks. We support automated configuration. SIPStation offers a plug-and-play setup, which means you can set up your FreePBX or PBExact system in just a few minutes without the need of any additional technical expertise. All you need is an internet connection and your activation key. Once completed, the SIPStation module for FreePBX and PBExact configures the trunk setting, registers your system to the service, and offers a trunk status. The solution even populates your DID on the inbound routes module for easy destination routing. No copy and paste required. We also offer a free trial. Not sure if SIPStation's right for you? Try it for free. Our 21-day free trial offers the ability to test inbound and outbound calling services with one DID in the area code or rate center of your choosing and 2 trunks. At this time, sign up for our free trial is only available in the SIPStation module that's embedded within the FreePBX and PBExact GUI. 24/7 support is also an option. SIPStation offers 24/7 support to its customers. This means that you can get help when you need it, and you can be confident that any issues will resolve quickly and efficiently. SMS, MMS, SIPStation supports SMS text messaging and MMS picture messaging. As mentioned, SIPStation was designed for FreePBX and PBExact. As such, Sangoma is able to offer unparalleled integration between SIPStation and our open source-based telephony platforms. SMS is a great example. We support multiple ways to use SMS. Sangoma currently offers a set of paid and free add-ons that make using text messaging with your PBX a snap. SMS and MRS are supported both in our mobile and desktop soft clients, Sangoma Talk and Sangoma Phone, as well as with the open source user control panel widget in UCP. That being said, we recently introduced a free chat application for iOS and Android. Check those out on the app and Play Store that not only allow free PBX users to chat with other users on the system, but we've also added inbound and outbound text messaging to the app for added omni-channel functionality. Just remember that that is a free application, and you can pick it up in the App Store today. SMS messages are permissions-based. Free PBX and PBX Act offer the ability to partition SMS features on a per-user basis. Does your use case require that only a single user have text capabilities? Simply enable that user in the client and configure the DID that the user has access to in the user management module. You can even allow multiple users access to the same DID for collaborative response scenarios. We offer granular message control. In an effort to continually expand the SIPStation SMS feature set, we've released yet another GUI module that provides detailed SMS reporting. Think of this as call detail records or CDRs for text messaging. Our new SMS Plus module grants admins a full view of messages entering or leaving the system. We've even implemented a block list feature for blocking unwanted text messages. Looking for T38 faxing? We've got it. You can connect your Sangoma Vega analog gateway or any T38 capable device to our network and experience reliable online fax services. As always, SIPStation inbound T38 is supported and delivered free of additional charges. This service uses the included minutes of service allotted by your existing trunk count. Remember, that's 3,000 minutes per trunk. Also, on-demand outbound T38 fax is available with pay-as-you-go pricing and is easily configured in the outbound route module. Simply prepend star 323 at the beginning of all fax transmissions and you'll be using T38. Failover destination is another key feature of SIPStation. What happens if your premises-based system becomes unavailable during an internet outage or a system failure? We offer 4 failover features to meet the specific need of any outage scenario. On our side, we offer trunk failover. By default, the SIPStation service automatically registers your phone system or PBX to 2 geographically separated data center locations. This structure allows us to provide additional failover options for your equipment. First off, we have IP/fully qualified domain name failover. In the unlikely event that your primary PBX becomes unavailable, admins can automatically route calls to the IP address or FQDN of any other PBX in your fleet. We also offer trunk group failover. If your voice services are shared across multiple office locations, SIPStation can automatically send your calls to any of your other SIPStation locations. Lastly, in the event that the customers have not configured the first options, and if SIPStation is unable to send your calls from the primary or secondary data centers, a global failover number can be configured to redirect calls to. Simply add the number you'd like your calls forwarded to in the DID failover settings, and calls will continue to flow automatically. Bursting. The SIPStation bursting features offer the ability to temporarily scale services on demand. Not all customers can easily fit into the base configurations and settings for SIPStation. For this reason, Sangoma has introduced the ability to add metered services that are delivered on top of existing services when you need them. Soft cap bursting, for example, allows customers to exceed their monthly predefined maximum minutes threshold. Remember, this is 3,000 minutes per trunk. Additional usage is billed per minute once your monthly limit is reached. We also have concurrency bursting, which allows customers to exceed their allotted channel counts. Enabling this feature allows customers to burst beyond the amount of trunks available in your SIPStation account. Once activated, customers are billed per minute for concurrent calls beyond the subscriber's trunk count. We offer a top-up service feature. SIPStation's top-up settings allow customers to manually predefine a spending limit for our bursting services. This ensures that their phone systems remain operational even during unexpected call spikes. There's even a configurable low balance notification that notifies admins when the account is low on top-up funds. Fraud Guard. Fraud Guard is another great feature. With SIPStation Fraud Guard, you can easily protect your business from fraudulent or unexpected international calling. Telecommunications fraud, also known as toll fraud, occurs when hackers or unauthorized users gain access to a company's phone system and make unauthorized calls. These calls can result in significant business losses for a company. Assuming that you have international calling enabled with SIPStation, Fraud Guard allows you to configure your max weekly spend for international dialing and protects your business from malicious calling. Fraud Guard will cap the amount of international calls that can be made through the system so that when the limit is reached, no further international calls can be made. You'll also have an email notification when you are close to exceeding your max weekly spend. SIPStation is a complete E911 solution for business. Each SIPStation account includes one master E911 location that must be configured before you can use the service. However, additional E911 locations can be added for remote locations or work from home users. Another key fact is that SIPStation helps ensure regulatory compliance with Free PBX and PBX Act. We support configurations for both Ray-Baum's Act and Kerry's Law. For those not in the know regarding these laws, the Ray-Baum Act is a US federal law that requires companies with a PBX to provide accurate information about the location of emergency calls made from their phone system. Kerry's Law requires PBX system owners and operators to enable direct dialing of 911 and on-site notification of emergencies without the need for dialing any additional number codes. The safety of your employees and customers is important. You can easily get this right the first time with SIPStation. SIPStation pricing. We offer both month-to-month and contract pricing for SIPStation, with contract pricing providing a discount for committing to a longer-term agreement. Month-to-month pricing starts at around $25 with a 20% discount offered on a 3-year plan. DIDs are $1 each for standard rates, while toll-free DIDs are offered at $1.50, with with minutes of use rate at about 2.4 cents per minute. Please remember that SMS and SMS are available with our Free PBX and PBX Act systems, and we charge a penny for outbound messages, while inbound text services are free and included with your SMS-capable DID. Lastly, all SIPStation phone numbers support T38. Inbound is free of charge, and we charge 2.4 cents per minute for outbound calling. What is FaxStation? Sangoma FaxStation is a HIPAA-compliant fax solution that allows business of all kinds to send and receive faxes digitally, either via traditional fax machine or by using our online eFax portal. It's affordable. FaxStation is fixed price per page and per fax call concurrency, with 2 options for high volume or low volume fax customers. It has to be reliable. We're a cloud company and uptime is king. Sangoma delivers an always available fax service when you need it. It's easy to set up. FaxStation configuration is intuitive and easy to manage. One portal to configure FaxStation devices and eFax users alike. It's also quite scalable. Like SIPStation, FaxStation allows users to scale on demand. Fax service can be easily added or removed on the fly to meet the demand of any size business with just a few clicks. Key feature, fax machines or eFax. FaxStation allows you to deploy and consume fax services on your terms. We have 2 direct services offering. our customers have the ability to add our 4-port FaxStation device or more devices if you need more than 4 ports. This device is used to connect traditional analog fax machines to our service with no phone lines required. Optionally and/or additionally, customers can use the FaxStation eFax portal to send and receive HIPAA-compliant fax transmissions. As an additional benefit, users can opt in to our email service, which delivers inbound faxes directly to that user's email address in the form of a PDF. Fax stations or devices are delivered plug and play. Once ordered with the service in our portal, we ship the device pre-configured to your account. There's nothing left to do except power up the device, plug in your device, and define your fax telephone numbers. You'll be ready to send and receive faxes in just a few minutes. Does your business send and receive 10 faxes a month? 2,000? FaxStation's services are configurable by fax page count and concurrent fax calls. And there are no additional eFax per user fees. This means that a single FaxStation user trunk can be used by all of your employees at no extra cost. FaxStation pricing. Please remember that we do offer month-to-month services for FaxStation, low and high volume services. For users looking to enter a contract, we do require a minimum of 1 high volume trunk with discounts starting at 1 year. Pricing for telephone numbers, also known as DIDs or $1, the same as SIPStation. Our high volume service includes 1 concurrency and 3,000 pages of inbound or outbound fax. Remember, these trunks are stackable. This means that if you have 3 high volume trunks, your account supports 9,000 fax pages and 3 concurrent calls. On the low volume side, we offer the ability to send and receive 150 pages a month for around $10. Please note that the low volume fax service does not support stacking. Users that need more are just encouraged to switch to a high volume trunk. Moving right along to our wholesale carrier services option. Before we get started with our wholesale offering, also known as VoIP Innovations, I would like to quickly describe the services and the types of businesses that we cater to. Please remember that VoIP Innovation is not a product for everyone. VoIP Innovations is a provider of wholesale services offering a variety of SIP trunking and other VoIP-related services like SMS and fax. Who uses VI? Our customers are resellers, managed service providers, internet telephony service providers or ITSPs, telecom carriers, large enterprise customers that are looking for bulk discounts. Some of the key features and benefits of the VoIP Innovation service include global coverage. VoIP Innovations provides service in over 8,500 rate centers in the US and over 60 countries worldwide. Our service is carrier grade, as you might expect. We use redundant network infrastructure and multiple data centers to ensure high availability and quality of service. We support advanced routing options. VoIP Innovation offers a range of routing options that include time-based, percentage-based, or failover routing, and the solution is customizable. We provide a wide range of APIs and tools that provide businesses the ability to integrate VoIP services into their existing workflows or applications. Pricing is competitive. VoIP Innovation offers wholesale pricing for its services, and additional discounts are always based on volume. Overall, VoIP Innovation is a comprehensive VoIP solution for businesses, resellers, and service providers who are looking for reliable, high quality, and cost-effective VoIP services. Let's talk about some key features. We have, as with most of our carrier service, we have a module for FreeBBX and PBExact. The VoIP Innovation module is a plugin that allows users to easily configure and manage their VoIP Innovation SIP trunking services within the PBX interface directly. It simplifies the setup and management of the VoIP Innovation's trunks, DIDs, and inbound routes. Just install the module from the module admin in the PBX, grab your trunk's activation key from our innovative back office portal, and away you go. Setup is easy, and any DID in the VI account will automatically be added to your inbound routes. No more copy and paste or human error when setting up PBX. Like SIPStation, VoIP Innovation brings SMS to the table with FreePBX and PBExact. In fact, all of the same clients are supported. However, unlike SIPStation, VoIP Innovation supports a feature called off-net SMS. This feature allows users to port just the text message portion of their number into the service, giving them the ability to keep their existing service provider while still enabling SMS and MMS messaging in FreePBX or PBExact. Long story short, you can switch your text messaging to VoIP Innovations without switching the actual voice carrier itself. Our SMS pricing is competitive. Sangoma's wholesale VoIP customers can expect aggressive pricing, and all rates are based on usage and location, with additional discounts, again, for high volume customers. So we have a very easy to use management portal. The VoIP Innovations back office portal is a web-based platform that provides users with a range of tools to manage their wholesale services. This includes, but isn't limited to, the ability to purchase phone numbers and provision SIP trunks. We also give you access to detailed call analytics and reporting. The portal also offers APIs for automation and integration with other systems, as well as a support center for accessing documentation, tutorials, and technical assistance. Each VI account has a dedicated account manager that provides personalized support and assistance to help guarantee customer satisfaction. What this means is that you will have a direct access to a human that not only understands your account, but also understands the way you do business. Like SIPStation, VoIP Innovation also has 24/7 support. VoIP Innovation's support team is a knowledgeable and experienced group of professionals who provide technical assistance and guidance to customers 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Regulatory compliance is a big new thing for us. In an ever-changing world of regulatory compliance, it's hard to keep track of the latest issues. Sangoma can help assist with ensuring that your company is in compliance. For example, stir shaking is a relatively new thing in our industry. It's a framework designed to authenticate and verify caller ID information of telephone calls using digital certificates. In theory, this helps to reduce fraudulent robocalls and increases trust in the telephone networks at large. But if you're not ready to invest the time, money, and effort to obtain full stir shaking compliance on your own, no problem. Have your calls signed by Sangoma as part of our service offering and become compliant quickly before bad things happen. We also do SMS campaign registry. TCR SMS campaign compliance refers to a set of rules and guidelines that must be followed when sending SMS messages for marketing or promotional purposes. This ensures that messages are sent only to the recipients that have given their consent, and that messages include an option to opt out. Think of Sangoma as your TCR consultant. We can help you with every aspect of the setup, guaranteeing compliance with these brand new and constantly evolving regulations. VoIP E911 compliance refers to the requirement that service providers must provide access to emergency services and transmit accurate caller location information to emergency service responders in the event of a 911 call. This feature is important for the safety of your customers' employees, and Sangoma can help you make sure that your service is compliant. We also have a tax compliant module. Nobody likes surprises, especially when they're in the form of a large bill or penalty. Sangoma's tax compliance module is a tool that automates the calculation and management of taxes and regulatory fees for VoIP services. This simplifies the compliance process and reduces the risks of error and penalties. Sangoma's spam and fraud detection is a solution that uses machine learning algorithms to analyze call patterns and identify potentially fraudulent activity on your account. We provide real-time alerts and blocking capabilities to prevent damage to your networks and protect your users. We also have a brandable billing portal. Our brandable billing portal is a customizable platform that allows businesses, VoIP providers to create and manage branded invoice and billing statements. It provides a personalized experience to customers. Think of this as a privately labeled web portal that you can provide directly to your end customer. Rate plans, billing plans, even LMP or number porting can be managed by your end customers directly. Use of the portal is seamless. We even allow you to bring your own credit card processor to the table. Sangoma does not proxy payments from your customer. VoIP Innovations, from a pricing perspective, offers flexible and customizable pricing plans. It should be noted that we do have a minimum service commitment of $250 per month, with additional rate plans that are based on volumes of services consumed by you, the customer. Please contact us for a custom rate quote that's designed to meet your needs, both from a pricing and feature perspective. Feel free to reach out to me at any time regarding that. Now time for a quick Q&A. It appears, since I've done such a great job, that there are no questions whatsoever. Once again, everybody, my name is Michael White. I am the Vice President of Open Source Sales here at Sangoma. I've put my contact information up on the screen. We appreciate the opportunity to work with you. Please do not hesitate to contact me directly with any questions regarding our trunking as a service products. Have a great day.